Equipped with high brightness LCD screen and IP rating aluminum housing, we use a special tempered glass from Pilkington, which is good at reducing the reflection and enhancing the transmittance, so we get more bright and clear image. Air condition cooling and air circulation cooling are both available optional. Built-in remote operation and maintenance system, which can effectively monitor the operating status of the equipment through different sensors. If the door is open, we can check the opening status in the system.